my goodness, look how beautiful it is, you guys. You see the beautiful trees? What color are they?
Green.
What other colors? Look at, they're changing colors. You see the orange and the red? Wow. Hi everyone, welcome back to my car. I think that I just pretty much live in my car lately. But today's such an exciting day. Kale and Jessica are here. They came last night, we did hair, we stayed up way too late talking, and today they are taking some engagement pictures and I'm so excited for them. So last night, like I said, we did hair and then we picked outfits and we just had so much fun, and I am so excited for them. I know that they were really looking forward to today. My friend is helping them take pictures and she does such a great job. So we're up in the mountains. It is absolutely gorgeous. I've never been here before, so I'm really excited to see what it looks like. It looks like they're kind of down on a little trail. So we're gonna venture down there. Got my little sidekicks here and see what they're doing. They do plan on like changing their outfits and maybe going to a couple different locations. So be sure to watch Kale and Jessica's channel. It's always linked down below and you can see more of today. And also follow them on Instagram. I will leave their information down below and then you can find them there to see more pictures. I'll also see if I can post one or two or some because I'm just excited. Do you guys want to get out?
Yeah.
Or do you want to eat some lunch?
I'm gonna drink.
You're gonna drink? Okay. Okay, we're gonna get situated and go and see what's going on. Okay, should we go find them? You ready, buddy? You got your chocolate milk? Hey, where are you? Make sure that you don't leave the wrappers, okay? Oh, I think I hear them over here. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's go see. It looks like a magical trail. Yeah. It's really, really pretty. Look at those leaves. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. Hi. Yeah. Winston, isn't that so pretty? Look at the leaves. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm okay with fall. Is this trail? Not the best choice of shoes. Okay. Winston has good shoes on. Layla wins because she has the best. It's a little chilly.
Put my foot on.
You did get your boots on. You're a smart girl. Come here, guys. Hey, guys. Hi, Layla. You see them taking pictures? Want to run up there with Winston? Oh, Bo Peep. Good job running. Nice work, sister. You want that rock? Okay. Oh, you're gonna throw it? Let's see. Oh, nice. What did you find? Oh, Winston, that is cool. Want me to put it in my pocket? Or you can put it in your pocket. Did you know you have a pocket right there?
Put it in the top.
Okay, yeah, you can do that. Do you want to go put your food in the car?
You're going to take your hat off as she's walking out, so just did it! Perfect.
Freaking cutest! I think it's fine. Looks cute. Hi, stinker. Okay, put it down.
Say cheese. Cheese.
Just got to a new location. It's so cool. The old town around here is so cool and charming, and just such a fun place to take pictures. And Abby knows really good spots. So this area is amazing though. I've never been here, and when I was driving I was like, oh, this is incredible.
Perfect. Oh, steps.
We're picking Braylee up now from cheer practice, and what did you just say, Winston? We should duck down. So when she comes out, she'll be really confused because we won't be in the car. That's so funny. Duck down. Well, it turns out the joke's on me because I went to the wrong place to pick her up today. Ugh. So we're going to get her at the right place. Winston, what are we doing?
We're doing cookies. Look at
I
here.
thought it would be fun to make some Halloween cookies, so we're getting some stuff to do that. Whoa. I'm also going to get spice cake mix because if you mix this with a can of pumpkin and chocolate chips, they're the greatest pumpkin cookies. So I know that I'll want them, and they're on sale. I mean, huge savings, right?
Hey guys, watch this.
No, Winston Butler. Yep, I have that kid at the grocery store. Anyway, so I'm gonna grab a bunch of these.
What?
There's pudding mix inside. What does that mean?
What?
Is this different?
What?
Puppy, you're a naughty puppy. These are also my favorite chocolate chips. So I'll get some of them. Thinking ahead.
Look.
Look at all this fun stuff we have. Are you excited, Winston? Now we need to find some pumpkin. Where's the pumpkin? There it is. I found the pumpkin.
Where pumpkin?
Do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? It's right here. Where is it? Where is it? Right here. Look at this one. There you go. And you put those in. Put them in.
Mom, I'm gonna get a house first. I love houses.
Winston, what did we find?
This.
This is a kit. The kids clearly just tore right into it, but it had these haunted houses. These are just at Walmart. So they're gonna make some haunted houses. We also, what are these?
Wow.
They're marshmallows, but they're spooky ghosts. I love these kits. We got them at Christmas time too, but how cute are these for Halloween? But there's different things too. These ones have bats, and these ones have ghosts.
Mommy,
You want a marshmallow?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, good work.
I'm eating it.
You're gonna eat it? Layla's mostly interested in eating it. Mmm, yum, yum, yum. Anyways, just a fun, easy activity to do. We need to save some for Gage too, so we can do some. I forgot to vlog with Braylee. I picked her up from cheer, then we ran into Walmart really quick, and as soon as we got here, she had to leave because she is going hunting. So she's on her way on a hunt with Casey, but she should be back tomorrow, or she has to be back tomorrow for cheer. So we'll check in with her. I felt bad that I didn't vlog with her though. Anyways, we're gonna finish doing some cookies. We'll do some more when Gager gets here. Kale and Jess are still here. They're gonna hang out for a while. Today was awesome. It was so good. Make sure you guys, again, watch their channel so you can see the behind the scenes. Check them out on Instagram so you can see all of their pictures.
And watch the video.
Yeah. When they got engaged. Yeah.
Nailed it, dude.
That was a good video, huh? Good videos. I agree.
I'm talking this.
Oh yeah? You gonna do some of those houses? Good girl. Good work, Sissy. Winston, that looks good.
For me.
You are so creative. Yep, I'll help you. Today was such a good day. I'm so happy that I remembered the camera and we got to go and see what was going on. I always have so much fun when Kale and Jess come to visit, and every time when they're leaving, we're like, we need to make more videos together. We need to do something fun, because we seriously, like, I feel like we had the best conversations. We laugh so hard. We have so much fun together. And for years now we've been like, we need to do like holiday videos, we need to do this and that. And that's exactly what happened when they were leaving today too.